You know that feeling when you get into a luxury car like a Mercedes E-Class or a Lexus RX, and everything just feels right? The cabin smells fresh, the seats hug you perfectly, and every button you touch feels like it was made with care. It's hard not to be impressed. But what if your daily driver is something a little more modest, like a Honda Civic, Toyota Corolla, or maybe a Ford Escape? Those are great cars, super reliable, but let's face it, the interiors aren't always exciting. The good news is you don't need to drive a luxury car to feel like you're in one. There are simple upgrades you can make that completely change the vibe inside your car. Things that make it more comfortable, better looking, and even more functional. And no, we're not talking about throwing in random accessories from the gas station. These are real upgrades that bring a noticeable change. So if you're ready to turn your basic ride into something that feels way more high-end, here are 7 interior upgrades you should definitely consider. Premium steering wheel cover. Let's start with something you touch every time you drive, the steering wheel. Take a car like the Nissan Sentra. It's practical, it drives well, but the stock steering wheel? It's usually hard plastic or basic rubber, not exactly luxury material. But swap that out for a premium steering wheel cover, maybe a hand-stitched leather one, and suddenly the feel of the car changes. It's not just about looks. A high-quality cover gives you better grip and makes long drives more comfortable. It also protects your wheel from wear and tear. Some even have memory foam or gel padding inside for an extra soft feel. You can match the color to your interior or go with something bold if you want to add a touch of personality. This is a small upgrade with a big payoff. Ambient interior lighting. If you've ever sat in a BMW 3 Series or even a newer Kia K5, you've probably noticed that soft glow from under the dashboard or around the cup holders. That's ambient lighting, and it makes a huge difference in how the car feels at night. You can add ambient lighting to almost any car, even something as humble as a Mazda 3 or Hyundai Elantra. There are kits that let you run LED strips along the footwells, door panels, and center console. You can even choose from multiple colors or set it to change with the music. It creates this cozy, upscale atmosphere that completely transforms the driving experience, especially at night. Just make sure you go with a quality kit that won't flicker or fail in a few months. And keep the brightness low enough so it doesn't become a distraction while you drive. Upgraded floor mats. Upgraded floor mats might not sound like the most exciting change, but they make a huge difference in how your car looks and feels. Take something like a Toyota RAV4 or a Subaru Impreza. These cars usually come with standard carpet mats that do the job, but don't really offer much protection. Over time, they wear out, stain easily, and start to look messy, especially if you live somewhere with a lot of rain, snow, or dirt. Now imagine swapping those out for a set of high-quality, custom-fit mats. Brands like WeatherTech, Tux Mat, or Husky Liners make mats that are tailored specifically for your vehicle. They cover every edge, stay in place, and are incredibly easy to clean. Many of them have raised sides to catch mud, snow, or even spilled coffee, which is perfect for daily commuters or road trip lovers. If you're going for a more upscale look, there are plush carpet mats with embroidered logos or deep pile finishes that feel soft and luxurious underfoot. No matter what style you pick, it's one of the quickest ways to keep your interior clean, comfortable, and premium without spending a ton of money. Number 4. Leather or premium seat covers. Seats take up the most space inside your car, so upgrading them makes a huge impact. If you drive something like a base model Jeep Compass or an older Honda Accord, chances are your seats are plain cloth and not very exciting. But installing a quality set of seat covers can change that completely. We're not talking about those cheap covers that slide around and wrinkle. We mean custom-fit leather or faux leather seat covers that look like they came from the factory. Brands like Catskin even offer full leather upholstery kits that replace your current seat material, giving you the look and feel of a luxury car without actually buying one. They're also great for protecting your original seats from wear, spills, or pet hair. You get comfort, style, and peace of mind all in one upgrade. Add in heated seat pads underneath, and now you've got something that feels closer to an Audi or Acura. Number 3. Digital touchscreen head unit. The infotainment system is the brain of your car's interior. In something like a Tesla, it's the star of the show. But what if you're driving an older Toyota Camry or a basic Hyundai Sonata that still has knobs and a small screen? A new touchscreen head unit is one of the best upgrades you can make. There are affordable options from brands like Pioneer, Sony, and Kenwood that offer Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, backup camera integration, and even GPS. The display is bigger, brighter, and easier to use than most stock units in non-luxury cars. It not only improves your daily driving experience, but also modernizes the entire look of your dashboard. You'll feel like you're in a brand new car, and it adds resale value too. If you've been frustrated by outdated tech, this is the fix that brings your car up to speed. Number 2, noise deadening or soundproofing. One of the biggest reasons luxury cars feel more comfortable is how quiet they are inside. Ever driven a Chevy Malibu and thought it was fine until you got on the highway and heard every little tire and wind noise? That's where noise deadening comes in. You can add soundproofing material like Dynamat or Noico to the doors, floor panels, and trunk of your car. It absorbs vibrations and reduces road noise dramatically. Even a few layers under the carpet or behind the door panels can make a big difference. The result? Your music sounds clearer, conversations are easier, and the ride just feels more relaxing. It gives your car that solid, refined feel that's usually reserved for high-end sedans. It's not a flashy upgrade, but once you've experienced the difference, you won't go back. Number 1, wireless charging and USB hub console. Let's be real, almost everyone has a phone in the car. Whether you're using maps, streaming music, or taking calls, keeping it charged and within reach is a must. That's why adding a wireless charging pad or a sleek USB hub console is the most practical and premium-feeling upgrade you can make. Some new cars, like the Hyundai Tucson or Ford Edge, come with built-in wireless charging. But if yours doesn't, there are simple add-on trays and mats you can place in your center console or on the dash. You just drop your phone on it and it charges. No cables to fumble with. Add in a USB hub with multiple ports, and now your passengers can charge their devices too. It keeps the interior organized, and you never have to fight over the charger again. Bonus points if the charger lights up with a soft glow or fits perfectly in your existing cup holder space. This small upgrade adds modern convenience, looks clean, and saves you from constantly plugging and unplugging your phone while driving. So there you have it, 7 upgrades that take your car's interior from basic to brilliant. Whether you're driving a trusty old Corolla or a newer crossover like the Kia Sportage, these changes can really transform how it feels to sit behind the wheel. It's not about trying to copy luxury cars, it's about making the space your own, something that feels great every time you get in. Which upgrade do you want to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your fellow car lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.